Those 25 years na tayo today. Yay! Sa panahon, ko pa, tayo ay magkakilala, naging magkaibigan, at nagkaibigan. As I look back, I couldn't help but wonder why I never left. Lagi kang tinatanong bakit ako. Ang lagi mo namang sagot dahil mahal kita. 25 years was super challenging to both of us. Everyone in the 25 years that we've been together said that we'll be perfect together. Pero akala lang nila yun. The only reason we are perfect is that we have a perfect God in the center of this. Let's make sure we keep that perfect God in the center of all this at all times. It's been a long journey, dudes, and now we are finally celebrating our 25th anniversary. I'm praying that as we reach another 25 years, that God will continually bless us, including our lovely children, QQ and RR. And it is a great love story because God wrote ours. And even that I knew in my heart that you'll be the man I would say yes to become my husband. Yes! Happy 25th anniversary, my love!